Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter articles. So, you know why articles are important? Articles actually are very important for your good communication and good writing of your English. Without articles, you cannot write nor you can speak good English, right? Though they are only three, right? They are only three number, but they are very important while you speak or you write. So now see here, articles under this category falls three words. First is a, also pronounces a, and the. All these three, they are known as articles. If somebody asks you what an article is, you'll simply say a, and the are called articles. Okay? Actually, articles are demonstrative adjectives and they are used before the nouns. So, articles are used before the nouns to determine or fix their meanings. Is it clear? Why articles are used? They are used before the nouns to determine or fix their meaning. Now, see here, for example, suppose pencil. Pencil is a noun, right? So, you are saying a pencil. Orange, an orange. Taj, the Taj, right? And so on. Is it clear now? So, articles are actually a, an and the, and they are used before the nouns to determine or fix their meaning. Now, these all three articles, three words I should say, can be divided into two types. How many types? Two types. First one is indefinite. Indefinite means when you're not sure, right? Indefinite articles are used when, suppose, it talks about a person or a thing which is unknown to the listener. Suppose I am talking about anything, but you don't know. You are the listener right now to me. So, if I am talking about anything and you don't know about that thing. So, for that, we use a, an. Because it is not pointing out any particular person or a particular thing. It is not it is not known to you. Got it? For example, see, if I simply say a boy is waiting for you, you don't know which boy is waiting for you. You don't have any idea which boy is there. Maybe any boy. So, or if I say I have a computer and a laptop, do you have any idea about which computer I'm having? No. So, you are the listener and you hardly know about the thing what I am talking about. So, you are the listener. You are unknown to the thing which I am telling you. Is it clear? Now, a and an, they fall under the category of indefinite articles. Okay? Now, what you have to remember is a and an, they are always used before singular, countable noun. It should be single and it should be countable also. The thing which you can count. Suppose the word is pen. You can count as many as pens. Right? It is singular. But it should be singular, I said. Right? Before pens, you cannot say a. But when it is only single and countable. Box, pot. Right? Is it clear? So, you will always use a or an before a singular countable noun. A and an itself means one. A and an means one. Okay. Now see here. Suppose if you are adding a before water, this is wrong. Can you count water? No. But if you are adding a before water bottle, now it's correct. This one is correct now. Right? Suppose if you are saying honest and if you are adding a before it, this is wrong. Can you count honest? No, na? So, but if you are writing an honest man, yes, you can count man, an honest man, it's correct. But if you are writing an before honest men, the men is plural and I said you have to use before singular countable noun. And men is plural word, so you cannot use, so this is wrong, right? If you are writing and before ink, can you count ink? No. So this is wrong. But if you are writing an ink pot, then that is correct. Are you getting my word? Is it clear? Now see, where you will use an. First one, we always use a before a word beginning with the consonant. Before a word beginning with the consonant or a consonant sound. Is it clear? So we use a before a word beginning with a consonant or a consonant sound. Okay? Now see here. You know very well. Consonant words are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And apart from it, A, E, I, O, U. These are all your vowels. Okay, so we use a before consonants. Right? Is it clear? So what did I say? You have to use a before a word beginning with the consonant or consonant sound. Now before beginning with a consonant word, consonant letter, see here. Suppose the word is pen. P is a consonant. Okay. C, consonant. S, consonant. G, consonant. So we will use a before it. Concept clear? Now, the other thing what I told, if the word is beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound means, now see here, the word is starting with U and U is a vowel. Isn't it? U is a vowel. See here. But what I said, consonant sound. If you pronounce the word, this will give you the sound of U. Okay? Uniform, unicorn, university. So, you are getting the sound. If you get the sound of U, then you will not use an. You will use a before it. Okay? A European. Right? Is it clear? It is giving the sound of U. Is it clear? But you will not use a before Europe. Why? Because it is a name of a country. We don't use. Is it clear? And why European before a European you will use a? Because a person from a European country. You are referring to a person who belongs to Europe. Okay? Or the word is starting with the O. 1 rupee note. One-eyed man. So the sound is of W. Right? So here you will use a before it. Is the concept clear? Now, suppose the word is poor. Now, seeing it, you will say, Arey, this is the P is starting with a consonant letter. So, we will place a. My dear children, what did I told you? You will not use a if the word is uncountable. You have to only use before singular countable noun. Can you count poor? No. You cannot count. So, but if you are adding a, right? And there should be a noun also after man. If you are saying a poor man. So, here it is correct because you have an adjective here. Here the poor is adjective. And after that it is a noun. So, this noun, man, the quality of the man is a poor person, right? A poor man. Then this one is correct. So, before adjectives, we don't use articles. Okay? Before adjectives, we don't use articles. A or an until a noun comes. Means a countable noun comes. We don't use. We never use. Are you getting my words? See, suppose the word is, if I say the sentence, she is a beautiful. This is a wrong sentence. Why? Because beautiful is adjective. And I said you don't have to use a before an adjective. We have to use a or an before a noun. Now if you say she is a beautiful girl, then this is correct because here the girl is a noun, right? What kind of a girl she is? She is a beautiful girl, right? Now if you say she is a very beautiful girl, this is also correct because this is adverb and it is adding more meaning to the adjective beautiful, right? And what they are talking of, which person here they are talking about? This girl, noun. Got it? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now see, next one. Suppose the word is starting with H, but the sound is of O. Sound is of consonant. Sound is of consonant. O.